Hello girls and boys, how's it going? So this is one of the most requested videos on the channel. Every single day I get at least 3 or 4 requests to review my resume, to have a look at my profile, things like that. So sometime back I put up a post on my YouTube community on LinkedIn saying, guys, I will be reviewing your resume. Here is that video. Now a little bit of warning before you watch this video, right? I'm being brutally honest as always, but I'm a little fast also because I wanted to review as many resume as I can in 15, 20, 25 minutes because this can't be a 3-4 hour long video. I've received a ton of profiles. I've selected some. So even if your profile is not in the selected ones, you should go through the video, see the positives, see the negatives, and see how you apply them to your resume. If your resume is the one getting reviewed, I'm giving you my honest critical feedback. The goal is to give you feedback the way I would give it to a friend, to a little brother. Please take it in that spirit. Don't get offended because my goal is to be direct with you so that if it resonates with you, you can change something and it can help you. With that said, let's get started. John Doe, I like that. Okay, Gmail, phone number, city, LinkedIn. Nobody cares about this. Education, okay. Programming my school. Okay, this is about your school. Okay, this is about your college. You passed out in 2021. Okay, Bachelor in Arts. Fine. Why did you mention the school? Not. And how are you in? Oh, is this the name of a company? Don't make me work so hard to review your resume, man. Come on. Technical, okay, soft. Oh, you mean soft skills. Okay, fair enough. Languages, not really relevant here. There we go. Your project is my school. Okay, fine. This came under the education section. So confusing. Anyways, so successful personal C library, that's cool. Demonstrating that I will decide whether you demonstrate strong proficiency or not, buddy. But what is that C library doing? Give me some features, give me the code, tell me more. Born to be root. Oh, nice. Practical experience in system management, setting up a secure Linux server, one server. LVM and implementing LAMP stack. You make it sound like it's a big deal, but it's only one server. Not very impressed. Get next line. Okay. Multiple file descriptors. This is not what you call a robust solution, my friend. Don't try to make a mountain of what isn't. Printf, custom printf function. I like that. VADIAC function. Okay, this is good. Tell me a little bit more. Show me the code. Okay, you have the GitHub repository, which doesn't work. Okay, personal. Okay, diagnose and resolve hardware issues over 25. You're not applying for a hardware job here, right? Why are you showing me all of this? IELTS, not such a great band. 2018, way out of context. IEL maths, country's highest. What? And you'll have to give some context. At least I don't know what is IEL. Maybe the interviewer might know itself. Again, very old, not relevant. Interest, yeah, it's cool, but not relevant. Driving category, nobody cares. Overall, let's go to the next one. So, career objective, nobody reads this. Education, expected. Okay, you're gonna pass out in this year. Fine. Skills, okay, that's good. Minor project. Is there a major project coming somewhere? Okay, anyways. Automatic gender detection on Twitter using content. Ooh, nice. Okay. Using random forest. Okay, that's good. Using NumPy, pandas, Scikit. Okay, that's good. Okay, I like this. I need to see the source code for this and some example for this. Maybe upload a 10-second video where you run this. I give it a Twitter handle, tells me the gender. But nice one. Python intern. What is a Python? Oh, for this company, you were a Python intern. Okay, fair enough. BMI calculator, simple password generator, using Flask. Okay, fine. Web, HTML, CSS. Okay, certifications. Oh, this is good. So this should go up top in your resume, right? Right after skill summaries, certifications, citations, this should go way up because your minor project is related to this. Makes sense. Internet of Things not relevant for you. Hacker rank. Okay, fine. That's the only feedback I have. Otherwise, it's decentish. Next one. Okay, let's look at this. One page. Good, I like it, but it's not very visually clear. Let's read. Achievements. Lift scholarship recipient. Linux Foundation for demonstrating exceptional potential and commitment in open source technologies. Okay, where are your open source commitments? What projects did you contribute to? I don't see it here. FinOps selected for pursue the. Okay, did you complete it? Do you have the certification? What did you learn? Nothing. Okay, designed and configured GitHub Actions integrated. For what kind of application? Stack notification. Okay. Implemented cost optimization strategies, including scheduling VMs, Cloud SQL instances for specified period. Okay, I get it, but it's not a huge strategy. You just scheduled VMs. This is deployed container. Where did you deploy the Kubernetes? Which service? On cloud, on premise? What were the complexities? What were the problem you solved? This doesn't tell me anything. Document and simplify setup process for OpenVPN, creating. Did you create this document yourself? Did you use AI to create this document? Did you record this? Gave it to an LLM, generated the documentation? Tell me more, impress me a little bit more, please. Benchmark Redis performance. Show me the result. You should have started from this. This is good stuff. Say Redis compared to this cache, compared to this system. This is where Redis shines. This is where it doesn't shine. Take a screenshot. Start with that. It's a good one. Collaborated on Kubernetes menu. What the does collaborated mean? What did you do? Ensuring doesn't mean anything, man. Need more context. Please don't just throw numbers. Proficiently configured. I will decide that, right? Terraform backend in S3 leading to 20%. What? Give me context. What were you deploying? What was S3 used for? What Terraform module did you use? Did you use Terra Grant? Put some color to this. Put some more things. Maintains Jenkins. Yeah, so is this through the UI? Which version of Jenkins? Did you use Groovy scripting? Tell me more. Proof of work. Show me. This link doesn't prove anything, right? Here, if you've said this, so for example, you had that performance benchmark. Here, you should have put the show me link. Medium. What blogs do you have on Medium? I'm not going to read this now. You should have brought it. Is there a blog which has more than 1,000 reads? Put it up here. That's your achievements, right? You've done good work, but you're not showcasing it well. Okay, next one. Okay, this right up front looks impressive. Name, project, company, technical skills, one page. I like this already. Okay. DevOps professional, nobody's reading this here. Put this only if you have like 10 plus years experience. So I don't want to read the 10 years. I just want to read one summary. Then it makes sense. Otherwise, for freshers, 3, 4, 5 experience, nobody cares. Okay. Cloud migration project in collaboration with Microsoft. Okay. So from some company. Fair. Automated deployment between microservices. Okay. GitLab. Okay. Implemented advanced deployment strategy. Blue green. Okay. Using Helm charts and scripts. Okay. So instead of wasting time saying advanced deployment strategies, say blue green, Helm charts, shell scripts. Give me some details. Okay, it's probably on AKS, but add some more color to this. Don't put these kind of adjectives. Doesn't help. Secret management, vault. So HashiCorp vault and Key Vault. Both. Why do you need both? If you are on AKS, then why not use Azure Key Vault? Why go to HashiCorp vault? But fair. Okay, DNS zones. Okay. POC for container apps and functional apps. Okay, presenting findings to stakeholders. Okay, instead of this, you should have said used Azure container app and function app for this functionality. Use this API gateway. Tell me more. Optimize GitLab. Optimized how and what was the optimization? Tell me. But fair enough. Nginx as load balancer. That's good. Okay. Transform DevOps practices for 27 applications. What do you mean transformed? What do you mean streamlining? These are just words. They don't mean anything. Tell me how you transformed. You say re-architected this or moved UI-based Jenkins scripts to Groovy-based Jenkins scripts. Tell me a little bit more. Don't waste space here. Develop unified CI/CD for ETL applications. Okay, that's good. Python shell script, YAML for Ansible for consistent. Okay. Now you gotta tell me, instead of putting this, you've already established you're doing YAML based deployment scripts. Now Ansible is a new thing which you're introducing. Tell me what configurations did you do with Ansible? How did you hook Ansible with your, what are you using? Argo? GitLab. Okay, so in this one, tell me Ansible is called by what CI/CD pipeline? So connect the dots. Okay. But overall, one of the decent resumes that I've seen so far in the last 3-4. Good one. Visually good to look at. Makes sense. Okay. Next. ping@gmail.com. I like that. Okay. 2 years. Okay. Well highlighted. So 2 years Azure Cloud, operational efficiency, automation. Okay. DevOps engineer somewhere. Through streamlined process and automation using Terraform and Docker. Gotta tell me more. Gotta tell me a little bit more. Integrated Sonar Cube. Okay. Secret HashiCorp, 100% compliance, restricted and optimized. So I like the use of numbers here. I like the use of being bold here. These bolds, they make it easier to read. Well defined, but you can add more value to it. So integrated Sonar Cube is good enough. Everybody knows it's static code analysis, 20% reduction in this. This is all extra, right? We know what is the functionality of Sonar Cube. So reduce it, but overall still good. Process clean large dataset, Python, PySpark, okay. S3 and average Athena for efficiently querying. Okay. Now here you could have added a bit more context. What were you querying? What was the efficiency in querying? Before Athena, it used to take me 20 seconds for the query. After Athena, it took me 2 seconds. Something like that. But otherwise good, well formatted, tools, okay, fair enough. Now when you're specifying tools, you don't have to specify the usage of that tool. Not required. I should already know all of this stuff, right? But otherwise, still good one. So education expected, okay. Freelance web developer production ready website for this, increasing client acquisition and enhancing marketing efforts. Okay. Now this doesn't tell me anything, right? What is a production ready website? Where did you host it? What technologies did you use? Tell me more, impress me please. Right? Increasing client acquisition, what do you mean? How much did the flow increase? What percentage? Enhancing marketing effort, BS here. Please don't add things like that. Design and deploy it up, scalable front end, back end. What does this mean? A front end and back end according to needs of the client. Dude, what were the needs of a client? What is the front end and the back end doing? Oh, it's probably in context with this, I get it. But what? Tell me. Internship focused on optimizing internal process design. But what solution using MERN stack? Give me details. This is again, interfaces, backend system, integrated database, leverage technology. So tell this here, right? Use MongoDB to deliver scalable, how much load. Give me more details. Made 40 plus lectures, one of the, okay. Designed and developed the user interface, front end, back end. Yeah, again, same thing, right? Same pattern. It doesn't tell me anything. At least you've given the links, which is good. Okay, oh, that's a lot of certifications. Oh, you've done 100x cohort, Harkirat ka. Okay, that's good. So in this, you must have created some projects. Probably those are here. Okay, that's good. Okay, fair enough. Ooh, this is different. All right. Computer science instructor means you teach computer science somewhere. I would assume so. Okay, okay, this is education, passed in 21. Okay, intermediate. I think he's talking about 11, 12. Fair enough. Subject specialist, computer science. Name of the college. All right. Computer science teacher. Name of the school. Okay. Certifications, personal project. Now, if this is your final year project, what do I make of this, right? And I'm not sure what kind of job are you applying for. Are you applying for a teacher's job? It still doesn't tell me anything. All it says is computer science. What in computer science are you teaching? How do you teach? What makes you different as a teacher? If you're applying for a software developer or anything software job, this anyways doesn't tell me anything, right? Where have you used Java? Where have you used Python? Tell me some projects. Show me some GitHub links. Doesn't tell me anything. Whether you're applying for a teacher's job or for a developer job doesn't have enough information. All right, let's keep going. Programming skills, okay. Experience, spelling mistake. You should never have spelling mistakes in your resume. This is one thing that puts off the interviewer like anything else. UI design and development, okay, website using this, enhancing, okay. 20% increase in user engagement, okay. Is it possible if you're an intern, if the website is external facing, please give a link here. Features like product catalog browsing, shop cart integration. What component did you use for shop cart integration? Shopify, is it something else? These are your places to shine. This tells me, this integration, that integration. How did you handle the card part of it? How did you handle, did you put a separate component for browsing and shopping cart? Is it one component? Is it different technologies? Tell me more. This plain English doesn't make sense. SMTP for email notification. Don't write extra English, yaar, ensuring accurate user input and order confirmations. Obviously, we know what emails are for. Okay, next. Directed the, what do you mean by directed the creation? Director, sahab. Developer, we want a developer, not a director. Engineered, ooh la la, I like it. Cool. Omegle, okay. Chat platform. Okay, you have the source code and you have the links. Okay, that's good at least. 5-month DSA, fine. Okay, now like this, supporting a thriving community of 500 students, what I would have done was, if there is a community link, if there is a Discord server link, I would have taken this right up and saying active community admin for 500 students, link of Discord server. That's a good thing. You should have highlighted it right up front. But otherwise, readable, decent, just don't add extra stuff like this, right? Not required. GitHub, fine. Okay, all good. Again, you're repeating this. Either don't put tools here. Tools, this is the right way to mention them. This summary doesn't make sense. Ready to work, learn and collaborate in a team environment. If you want ready, you shouldn't be applying for a job anyways, right? Redundant information. Okay. HTML, JavaScript, okay, load, optimize, through code optimization, which best practices in HTML, CSS, anyways, it's old technology. I like the highlighting, okay, web tier using Kubernetes, 10,000 concurrent users, okay, Flask by SQL, okay, this is fine. Can you provide me the source code link? Can I see the application somewhere? But overall, well formatted. Managed version 30 commits. Why did you have to put 30 commits, man? Doesn't make sense. Okay. And what is this? Introduction to fair enough. Analyst. Oh yeah, this is the Power BI guy. Yeah, he asked me if I can review this. I said I'll take a shot, even though I'm not experienced here. Fair enough. Skills, analytics. Okay. Tableau, Power BI. Okay. What about the new age stuff? What about any data models that you've researched? Any AI models? I think that part is missing. This sounds very purane zamane ka types. Okay. Design daily impressions. Okay. Designed and implemented SQL queries. Now, can you make it a bit fancier? What did you change in the query? What is the scale, size of the query so that you can add more color to it? Automated quality control processes. Okay, by using advanced Google Sheet formula. Can you name some formula? Can you show me what that formula did? Give me some more details, please. Root cause discrepancies in achievement data, providing actionable insights. I understand what you're saying, but you'll have to contextualize it a little more, add more details. Performance report for sales teams. Okay, this is good. Now, if the performance report, have you automated it? Is there a system? Is there a dashboard on this? If you have done it, I would not even shy away from adding a picture of the dashboard if it looks fancy. Take dummy data. It doesn't have to be exact, but if it looks impressive, then you can do that. Conducted. Yeah, batao na, what inside, man? You have to tell me something, right? Okay, there's a lot of white space wasted here. Okay, personal projects. Yeah, tell me more. Analyze trend analysis. How this is your personal project. You can put some pictures here. Anything. This is bad now. For this one line, you wasted 1 page. Your resume could easily fit in 1.5 page. Yeah. Okay. All right. Ran out of time, so I had to cut short. But hopefully you understand the context of how I'm looking at resumes, right? Don't add extra English power words. Those times are gone. Put it to the context. Add as much as color in terms of details of what you have actually done, right? That helps make resume powerful. Put some strong attention to detail. Visually, a very good trick is zoom out of the resume, have it in one page or two pages and have a look at that page. Visually, it should look nice, segregated, bold out your important words and make it easy for me to read the resume. Right? One glance and I should say, okay, okay, makes sense. Because a reviewer is only looking at your resume for not more than 40-50 seconds at best. That's all the time you have. Hope this made sense. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a parallel video on reviewing your LinkedIn profile. I'll put in links on videos that I've made on how to create your resume, how to create your LinkedIn profile. You can go check all of that out. See you in the next one.